Ellipse is locus of points for which the sum of the distance to 2 points is consistent or the same. What is locus? Locus means set of points. Remember, the circle was a set of points equidistant from one point, which was a center, so this was the circle. Now, locus, again, the set of points. These are set of points which the distance from these 2 points, which we call foci, since there are 2, will be always the same when you add them. So if you pick a point here, the sum of this distance and that distance from that point to these 2 focus will be same as these 2 added. What if you pick a point here, the distance from this focus to that focus, when you add it, they will be always the same. Okay? So here are some terms. Hopefully it will make more sense as we go over these terms. We have a major vertices. Major vertices are the ones on the ellipse, on the longer side of the ellipse. So here you see how we have 2 vertices on the longer side. We call them major vertices. And the axis, the line that goes through those 2 vertices, are called major axis. What about the vertices on the shorter side? You can call it minor, or we call it co-vertices. Then, what will be the minor axis? The axis that goes through the minor vertices. And where the vertex axis go through, intersect, we call it center. And the point that will give the sum of the distance to every point, we call them focus. So if it's a plural, so we call it foci. Foci. And we always say the distance from the center to the major, the longer side, major vertex, we call it A. The longer side, half of the longer side. Then guess what we call the B? I said B. The shorter side, the center to the minor vertex or co-vertex, we call the length B. And we can call the distance from the center to foci, which will be the same, F. Okay? So this is A, the whole thing. The distance from the focus to the center, we will call it F. And they have a relationship of F, the length of center to foci squared, equals to A squared minus B squared.